case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, Charles Rhea Hinkle caused a fatal car accident after displaying signs of impairment from alcohol consumption while searching for his car after work. However, during his trial, it was discovered that Hinkle had an undiagnosed brain disorder, which could have caused him to lose consciousness prior to the crash. Despite the evidence of a potential brain disorder, the jury convicted Hinkle of involuntary manslaughter and sentenced him to 1 year in jail. At the center of State v. Hinkle, a 1996 case heard by the Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia, was the argument that defendants have the right to an instruction in their defense based on an alternative theory of the case, in this case, unconsciousness, if supported by evidence and law. During the initial trial, the court instructed the jury that a person with a disease or defect cannot be convicted of involuntary manslaughter unless they knew or should have known of their condition, and that it could impair their ability to drive. The court ultimately held that the defendant's claim of unconsciousness required an instruction on that defense, and that the previous trial instructions were inadequate, possibly leading to double jeopardy. Furthermore, the court decided that the admission of alcohol as evidence unfairly influenced the jury, despite blood tests showing no intoxication. As a result, Hinkle's conviction was reversed, and a new trial was ordered.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.